In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to lose touch with ourselves, with our breath, with our deeper purpose. But healing isn't just a luxury, it's a sacred responsibility. It's the profound act of reclaiming your energy, your clarity, your peace, and your authentic self. At Aanandoham's Project Curiosity, we offer you a sanctuary to slow down, reconnect, and rediscover who you truly are. Here, you'll remember where you come from, embrace where you are now, and clarify where you're going. We draw upon ancient wisdom that has survived through time, offering powerful modalities and tools that are remarkably efficient, yet beautifully simple to practice. Everything we offer is thoughtfully designed for the modern soul, for those navigating our fast-paced, action-oriented world while seeking deeper meaning. Our meditation practices range from classic stillness to dynamic, active techniques like Osho's transformative meditations. These practices help you cleanse, focus, and awaken your inner witness, guiding you inward to mindfully observe your thoughts and emotions. Through Reiki and energetic healing with carefully selected crystals, you'll gently release stagnant energies and blockages, washing away what no longer serves you. You'll emerge empowered, a radiant source of life force energy to direct as you choose. Our EFT sessions guide you to tap into your emotional landscape, clearing deep patterns and creating space for fresh beginnings through this remarkably simple yet powerful technique. The ancient path of Hatha Yoga strengthens your physical body while cultivating inner stillness and mental clarity. Tarot sessions illuminate what's currently unfolding in your life, revealing your inner truth and bringing the clarity, direction, and self-understanding you seek. And through divine intimacy, rooted in the sacred teachings of Tantra and Tao, you'll learn to channel your sensual energy into deeper intimacy, healing, joy, and authentic presence. This is your personal invitation to come home to yourself, to take full ownership of your life, your path, and your energy, to live with purpose, love with depth, and rise with consciousness. Remember, you are your own healer. We're simply here to guide you back to that truth. We will show you the door. You will go through it. Welcome to Aanandoham's Project Curiosity. Welcome to your extraordinary inner journey. Welcome to a new state of being.